6 nuts you should be eating. 1. Almonds rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. Almonds support heart health and can even help lower cholesterol. 2. Walnuts packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Walnuts have been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce inflammation. 3. Pecans These buttery nuts are rich in antioxidants and contain a variety of minerals, including zinc, magnesium, and potassium. 4. Brazil nuts With their high selenium content, Brazil nuts support immune function and can even help protect against cancer. 5. Cashews A good source of magnesium, copper, and zinc. Cashews support bone health and can even help reduce stress. 6. Hazelnuts Rich in vitamin E and copper. Hazelnuts support skin health and can even help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 6 nuts you should avoid 1. Pistachios While pistachios are nutritious, they're also high in phytic acid, which can inhibit nutrient absorption. 2. Macadamia nuts With their high fat content, macadamia nuts can be detrimental to cardiovascular health if consumed excessively. 3. Pine nuts While pine nuts are a good source of magnesium and zinc, they're also high in oxalates, which can be problematic for those with kidney stones. 4. Chestnuts Chestnuts are high in carbohydrates and low in healthy fats, making them a less than ideal snack choice. 5. Beech nuts Beech nuts are high in tannins, which can be toxic in large quantities. 6. Raw cashews While cashews are nutritious, raw cashews contain a toxin called urushiol, which can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions. Cut to animation of nuts being stored safely. Host, remember to always store nuts properly to maintain their freshness and nutritional value. And, of course, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian.